Hello guys, it's me Yusuf and welcome to my channel. Uh, Today I decided to give you a course for beginner people who really want to know Revit or to learn Revit, even they don't know nothing, only the name about it. So I will be your guide. I will take you through creating your first architecture project, from designing a house to making a beautiful landscape and even adding some roads around the house, all using the power of Revit software. Before we start designing our project, please don't forget to subscribe and like my video, so will help me a lot. Also, you won't miss any of my future tutorial. So the question is, are you ready to discover your architecture talents? I guess yes. So let's start our designing journey together. As you can see here on homepage of Revit, there is two categories. First category is about family, second about models. So what's family? Family is the element that you are going to use in your project or in your future project. For example, door is a family, window is a family, table is family. Anything, any element, ready element you are going to insert, it's a family. If you are going to be expert in Revit, for sure you are going to create your own family. The second is model category. Second category is models. It's the place where you are going to build or to create or to draw your future project. So if I press new, there is template here. Tell me what template you need to choose. As you can see here, we have many options. First, show me imperial or metric. Imperial, in your country they use inches or feet. In my country they use metric. And after that, you need to choose your template. If you are civil engineer or steel structure, you can choose like a construction template, a metric structure template. If you are like the electrical or mechanical engineer, you choose the metric system template. If you are architecture, you are going to use architecture for drawing your project, or if you are geodesist, if you are geodesist or surveying, it will be very helpful if you use metric architecture. So I will choose metric architecture, and this is our project, and I will press OK. For the first time, please don't be afraid. I know there's a lot of comments and buttons, so don't afraid. It's going to be quite easy for you, believe me. So as you can see here, there is a lot of tabs. First, it's like a quick access bar. This is like or quick access tabs or bars here and up below. So what is this? This is if I'm going to open file, if I'm going to save to make synchronization. This is we are going to talk about it later, not for you now. If this is where I'm not going to do redo or undo, print, PDF, measure a distance, dimension, show like tag by categories or make text, show project in 3D view, section, etc. And this is the ribbon for the main instrument that I'm going to use in project to draw or to create our project. As you can see here, there's a lot of tabs as for architecture, for structure, steel, precast. I think this is for civil. No need to use it in our project. We are not going to use this tab actually. Insert, if I'm going to insert like photo, family, or element that I said. This is analyze massing inside. If I need to make topography, the topo surface for our project, insert like some trees, making building paths. If I need to delete um, and, under our project. This is what I'm going to explain this later. Don't worry. View, manage, Inkscape. If we have time, for sure I'm going to give this just in briefly about this, and later I'm going to make video about Inkscape. So here there's two important bars. First is property. Give me the property of the view that I'm opening. For here, like it give me detail, level, part visibility. So if I make like wall, WA, or I go to architecture and press wall button, and I will do like a wall with 15 meter. As you can see here, the distance in millimeter. um, if you want to change it for meter, you can do it by press U, and we are going to explain this is later. And here I'm going to change from millimeter to meter. And what I'm going to say, if I click on wall that I did, he'll give me the property of wall, base constraint, base offset, from where, and the height of the wall. Let's make it like 6,000, and you will understand this later. 6,000 millimeters mean like 6 meter. And here it will give me the project browser. So this is, I'm in the level 1, and this is level 2 ceiling. I'm not going to use this right now. So if I press on the south view, it will give me the wall from the south view. And if I click here, it will show me the wall start from level 1 to and it ends up in 6,000 millimeter or 6 meter, and the width is 15 meter or 15,000 millimeter. So how I can show my project in 3D view? Well, it's very simple. I just need to press here, and as you can see here, there is a new tab born here between ceiling and elevation. And as you can see here, how I can, I'm seeing my project in a 3D view. So if I want to make zoom in and zoom out, only I need to move the wheel forward and backward. Here is the navigation bar or navigation bar. So if I want to see the our project from the front, from the top view, let's say from the right view, and from the back view, and here it's our visual bar. So as you can see here, this is detail level, how I can see our project in which detail level. And here it will show you the visual style like wireframe, and let's see in 3D model it will be shown more better. And here if I would choose hidden line, if I want to shaded, if I will choose realistic, it will show me the element in real life how it will be. This is a concrete wall, so it will show me like a gray color. And what I need to say, this is the status bar. Usually we use it when we are working in a BIM project. For sure, in BIM project, it's not like one person, it's a lot of people, it's a big team. And let's say we are different engineer from different schools, civil engineer, electrical engineer, and architecture. So this is the work set that we are going to choose, or to start to draw in our commands or in our duty. Like there is a duty, and we need to choose which work set, and everyone will work parallel, and we will work together but in parallel way. After that we need to make synchronization. Later I'm going to upload video about this. So that's enough for explaining about Revit interface. See you in next video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Next video we are going to talk about how we are going to start to draw our project. Thank you for watching again, and see you next time.